Going on the global platform, and it's happening in India right now, but they're planning to go globally, so it's even more better. So I've traveled for IFA, TWIFA, but not STIFA, so I'm so looking forward to this entire ceremony. And it's beautiful because you're celebrating films eventually, and it's about Indian films, Indian film industry, not just about Hindi films or not just about Malayalam films. It's about Indian cinema.
क्या सीखने को मिलता है कि एक्टर को अवार्ड्स के
See, I feel for every actor, awards are very important. As a child, for me, trophies were very important. As a child, medals were very important because I used to participate in all the sports and become first. अगर मैं third आती थी, second आती थी, तो मुझे दुख होता था. So बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि as a child, I came first in my races. I used to play basketball, I used to play badminton. But as an actor now, like since it is my profession, जब आपके काम को सराहा जाता है और आपको अवार्ड मिलता है तो आपको एक जज्बा मिलता है कि आप और अच्छा करें. शाहरुख खान को देख लीजिए, इट्स अ लिविंग एग्जांपल. ही इज द सुपरस्टार ऑफ द कंट्री, बट द अमाउंट ऑफ अवार्ड्स he's got till date, he's still like a child who still is craving for all the awards every year. So yes, awards are really important for all the artists.
Ma'am, if you see the compared to a global country, West country, like Oscar, they get award as actor. They get many jobs, like they get many assignments. But in India, it is not like that. How do you see?
No, it's not like that. See, I personally feel awards are something when your work gets appreciated by the jury, by the audience, by your fans. You get awards for that. But now when it comes to work, it has nothing to do with awards. It is completely to do with the script, the kind of script they are offering and what kind of character they want. So I think it's totally irrelevant. It is nothing to do
Who
with
inspired you actress as in a Bollywood writer?
Among the actresses, I think Meryl Streep and Kareena Kapoor.
कायनात, इसके अलावा अवार्ड शोज काफ़ी बढ़ गए हमारे देश में, तो ऐसा नहीं लगता अवार्ड की जो अहमियत है वो कम हो गई है हमारे देश में? कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारे अवार्ड हो गए 365 डेज में.
देखो, मैं बहुत अभी यंग हूँ चीज़ों के लिए. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं लायक भी हूँ कि मैं इस चीज़ के ऊपर कमेंट भी करूँ. बट एज अ न्यू कमर, आई एम स्टिल क्रेविंग टू हैव lots and lots of awards, and I think I'll be very, very selfish.
Ma'am, 15th August आ रहा है, 15th August आ रहा है, कुछ मैसेज देना चाहिए देश को?
I want to wish Happy Independence Day to all of you, and keep living it up, keep enjoying, just keep that freshness on, and just keep smiling. Thank you so much.